First, look at this particular logo. How many of you recognize this logo? Which company does this logo belong to? Yes, this is the logo of Domino's Pizza. Everybody understands this logo. Everybody would have ordered the Domino's Pizza. Now, Domino's has two types of restaurants, large restaurants and small restaurants. Both deliver pizzas to their catchment areas within 3 kilometers. But the difference is that the large ones invite customers to sit and eat their pizzas like in a restaurant, i.e. dine in. The small ones have seating space of 1 or maximum 2 tables for eating and is focused on delivery. Now, due to coronavirus, the business of Domino's has suffered severely. Customers are no longer coming to their restaurants, the big ones. Its management realized that they need to change their business model. A survey showed that people associate Domino's with delivery within 30 minutes or your money back. Therefore, the management took a decision to discourage dine-in and encourage delivery, and decided to close its dine-in restaurants to reduce rent costs. However, this also means that the company needs to ramp up its delivery capabilities to meet the increased orders for delivery. This is likely to increase delivery cost. Rental decrease, delivery increase. So, the company owns 1,500 petrol motorcycles to deliver pizzas. The move to small restaurants will increase the need by 1,000 new two-wheelers. The company wants to avoid increasing its delivery expenses. Hence, they asked for proposals and ideas to ensure that delivery costs do not increase as less people dine in and more people ask for delivery. The company received many proposals, but one interesting proposal they received was to opt for electric two-wheelers and also replace the existing 1,500 petrol-powered two-wheelers used for delivering pizzas to customers with electric cycles or electric scooters. The company has done a survey and collected facts on petrol-powered two-wheelers that they are already using, as well as electric cycles and electric scooters that are now available in the Indian market. These are being submitted to you, managers and business heads, to take a decision to evaluate this investment project and make a recommendation on whether the proposal should be accepted or not accepted. You must have seen that the data available in the survey and the analysis shows you certain facts. Number 1, this project is not designed to produce any cash inflows. Hence, periodic outflows and non-monetary factors become important. In other words, reduction of cash outflows becomes important. The non-monetary factor, the most important factor is the investment project is for buying an asset that will deliver a promise made by the company, delivering in 30 minutes. That promise must be fulfilled under all circumstances. The credibility of the company depends upon this factor. The average speed of all two-wheelers in residential areas was measured as part of the survey to be 20 kilometers per hour. This was fulfilled by all the 3 options. In other words, the most important technical factor was the average speed of the options, of the 3 options. This is equivalent to the L1 aspect of your evaluation. When you evaluate projects, you have to look at L1 and L2. L1 is the technical thing. This fulfills L1. Once L1 is fulfilled, then you go to L2. Thereafter, other factors become important. For example, regulatory factors. Whiz is a clear winner here, as it did not need the rider to have a driving license. It did not need the rider to wear a helmet. Financial reasons. Again, owning, running and maintenance. Here you will find that the aggregate cost of Whiz is cheapest of the three options. It is a clear winner. Convenience. The manufacturer of Whiz offered to tailor the carrier of the cycle to carry the warm bag in a secure manner, in which the rider carries the pizza box to keep it warm when it is delivering to the customer. And finally, alternate sources of power. In a motorcycle, if the petrol runs out, how will the boy deliver the pizza? In a scooter, electric scooter, if the battery drains out, how will he deliver the pizza? But in an electric cycle, there is pedal power. In case the battery runs out, he can still pedal the cycle and still deliver, because it is only 3 kilometers. So, given all this, which tool should be used to evaluate this investment project and why? So, if we look at all the 8 tools, you will notice that here the most important factor is A, the promise of delivery in 30 minutes, and B, the reduction in cost. In this case, the reduction in cost is maximized by the electric cycle Whiz. So, that is done by the method opportunity cost. Hence, that is the right tool to use in this case study.